I've sold so much stuff on Amazon that I decided to treat myself and I bought this saltwater aquarium and I put it behind my podcast setup. I just finished playing a little Overwatch. I've got all this video content set up and I own a $20 million agency called My Amazon Guy. And I have sold everything you can imagine on Amazon, pretty much anything except a car or unicorn meat. And I even sell like aquarium products and have done some cool stuff with that. Any aquarium lovers out there, hit me up in the comments. It's really hard to set up an aquarium, by the way. Anyway, so in selling on Amazon, I've learned that there are four basic things you have to get right: PPC and SEO to drive traffic, and design and catalog work to do conversion. Pepper in a little bit of click-through rate and some CTR hacks, and you're off to the races. Well, I have done this for more than 1,000 brands at this point. We currently manage over $800 million in GMV on Amazon. There are so many things that you have to learn to sell on Amazon. It's a lot of work, right? It's not passive income like you might find some other gurus talking about. You can't just pick a product on Alibaba and go off to the races. You got to build up a manufacturer, you got to build a brand, you got to get good packaging. And sometimes along the way, I make some mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes I made was when I launched my hot sauce product. I spent $1,500 just getting the label right. I did all the taste tests. It's the first sweet heat ever launched on Amazon. I thought, oh, I'm a genius, right? Not so much. So I shipped 1,000 of these into Amazon. At the time, I was doing this out of my garage, right? Like any bootstrapping entrepreneur would. And I send in these hot sauce bottles and I pay Amazon to do the prep work. We all tried to cut some shortcuts at some point. And Amazon charged me like $1.20 to do some bubble wrap, throw some effing SKU labels on it, and call it a day, right? This is a 5-pound glass bottle. Instead, they shipped it out in padded envelopes. So on my launch day, I'm getting text messages from my brother, my family, my friends. Everybody had bought this because I would really push this product to try and make it happen on Amazon. And I'm getting text message pictures of the hot sauce bottle shards in the mailbox, on the driveway, and wherever else Amazon kicked the package in the padded envelope with a 5-pound glass bottle of hot sauce. There was hot sauce everywhere, guys. It was a mess. It was just a total mess. And I ticketed Amazon. I'm like, ship it in boxes. And they refused to do so. And they're like, if it fits in a padded envelope, we will. And I could not wrap my head around why Amazon would do that. And I'm a supposed Amazon expert, right? Well, it turns out Amazon has a mind of its own. And the lesson I learned was that if you want to ship a glass bottle out, you better package that in its own box before you ship it into FBA. That lesson cost me, I don't know, $10,000. Hopefully that saves you $10,000 if you have a similar challenge like that. There are so many things that I have learned. I've paid my Amazon taxes. And you might be wondering, is Amazon even worth it? They're raising fees. PVC costs are up. The Chinese are making prices go down. And they're all black hat hijackers as well. Those are great questions. But you don't have to go alone. You, as a brand owner, what's the best thing you can do with your time? Launch more products, go source more deals. So you should still focus on those things, but hire an agency like My Amazon Guy to take all the heavy work off of loading catalogs, trying to fight Amazon to change your titles, and doing all of these challenging things that you don't really want to do, right? They're busy work. They're technical busy work. But you can come to us, we'll build a strategy, we'll run the tactics, we'll do the execution, and we'll grow your account so you can focus on launching more products. The most profitable thing any Amazon brand can do is focus on launching more products on more channels, to more customers, more often, for more money. If this resonated with you, I will give you a free 5-minute audit on your Amazon brand. Just drop me the ASIN in the comments and I will shoot a video for you and let me know how I can serve you. Will be my pleasure. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.